Neuroinflammation fuels pain, fatigue, mood problems, and metabolic disruption. Today we unpack the cellular causes and explore how full extract cannabis oil, or FECO, may help calm that silent fire. I'm here today to talk about this important topic. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explain what neuroinflammation is, why it matters across so many chronic conditions, the biological mechanisms involved, and the ways FECO may modulate those pathways. So, let's get started. Neuroinflammation is essentially an immune response happening inside your nervous system. It's driven by activated immune cells in the brain, called microglia and astrocytes, a flood of inflammatory messengers called cytokines, and sometimes a breakdown in the protective blood-brain barrier. This process is now implicated in a huge range of conditions, from persistent pain and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's to mood disorders and even metabolic problems. So how does this internal fire drive so many different symptoms? Well, chronic neuroinflammation can make your pain pathways more sensitive, leading to persistent pain. It disrupts the natural architecture of your sleep, leaving you feeling unrested. It also alters the balance of crucial neurotransmitters, which can affect your mood and cognitive function. On top of that, it can worsen inflammation throughout your body and interfere with metabolic control. These cascading effects help explain why a single inflammatory process can produce such a wide variety of symptoms, making life difficult in so many ways. This is where full extract cannabis oil, or FECO, comes into the conversation. FECO is a full-spectrum cannabis extract, which means it preserves not just the well-known cannabinoids, like THC and CBD, but also a rich profile of terpenes and other plant compounds. This is often called the entourage effect. The idea is that this combined profile can act on multiple biological targets at the same time, which is really important when you're trying to address a complex, multifactorial process like neuroinflammation. Let's look at the biology. Preclinical and mechanistic studies suggest that the compounds in FECO can act in several key ways. They can modulate our body's own endocannabinoid system, which helps regulate balance. They can reduce the release of those pro-inflammatory cytokines we talked about earlier and inhibit the overactivation of microglia. They also provide antioxidant and neuroprotective effects, helping to shield brain cells from damage. These multimodal actions are exactly why full-spectrum extracts are being explored as potential adjuncts for managing neuroinflammatory conditions. The evidence for FECO spans from robust preclinical data to promising clinic reports and observational series, suggesting improvements in symptoms like pain, sleep, and mood. However, it's crucial to note that high-quality, large-scale randomized trials are still limited. If you decide that exploring FECO, the golden rule is to start with a low dose and increase it very slowly over time. Keep a daily log to track your symptoms like pain levels, sleep quality, mood, and daily function. This helps you objectively see what's working. Also, be sure to monitor for any side effects and potential drug interactions. And never stop any prescribed medications abruptly without your doctor's oversight. It's important to have realistic expectations. For most people, FECO can be a useful tool to help reduce the burden of neuroinflammation, leading to better sleep and improved daily function. But it is not a universal cure. Responses vary from person to person, and the benefits are often incremental rather than dramatic. It's about progress, not perfection. If this breakdown was helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more evidence-based content. We'd love to hear from you, so share your experiences with neuroinflammation and plant-based approaches in the comments below. And as always, remember to talk to your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. Thanks for watching.